Welcome back, travelers and organizers. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a closer look at two popular packing cube brands, Gonex and Bagail. Packing cubes are a great tool for keeping your luggage organized and maximizing space during travel. In this video, we're going to explore the features, functionality, and overall value of Gonex and Bagail packing cubes. So grab a seat and let's dive right in. Design and material. Both Gonex and Bagail packing cubes offer well-designed and durable options. Gonex packing cubes feature a lightweight and water-resistant nylon material, ensuring durability and protection for your belongings. Bagail packing cubes, on the other hand, are made from high-quality nylon fabric with reinforced stitching, providing strength and durability during travel. Both brands offer a range of color options to suit personal preferences.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Sizes and variety. When it comes to sizes and variety, both Gonex and Bagail packing cubes offer a selection to meet various packing needs. Gonex provides a variety of sizes, including small, medium, and large cubes, as well as slim and shoe bags. Bagail offers a similar range with different sizes for different items and compartments. Both brands allow you to choose the combination of cubes that suits your packing preferences. Durability and quality. Durability and quality are important factors when it comes to packing cubes. Gonex packing cubes are known for their sturdy construction, quality zippers, and reinforced seams, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Bagail packing cubes are also praised for their durability, with strong zippers and high-quality materials that withstand the rigors of travel. Both brands offer reliable options for keeping your belongings organized and protected. Organization and compression. Efficient organization and compression are key features of packing cubes. Gonex packing cubes are designed with a mesh top panel, allowing for visibility and breathability. They also feature double zipper pulls for easy opening and closing. Bagail packing cubes offer similar features with mesh tops for visibility and ventilation, as well as sturdy zippers for secure closure. Both brands allow for efficient organization and compression of clothing and accessories. Convenience and portability. Convenience and portability are crucial for travel accessories. Gonex packing cubes are lightweight and collapsible, making them easy to store and pack when not in use. They also come with a handle for convenient carrying. Bagail packing cubes are also lightweight and foldable, ensuring easy storage. Additionally, they include a handle for easy transport. Both brands offer packing cubes that are designed for hassle-free travel. User experience and reviews. User experiences and reviews provide valuable insights into the performance of packing cubes. Many users appreciate the durability and organization capabilities of Gonex packing cubes. They find them efficient for maximizing space and keeping items neat and tidy during travel. Bagail packing cubes receive positive feedback for their quality construction and the convenience they offer in packing and unpacking. Users appreciate their ability to simplify the packing process. Both Gonex and Bagail packing cubes offer reliable options for organizing and maximizing space in your luggage. Gonex provides sturdy and water-resistant packing cubes with various size options. Bagail offers durable packing cubes with reinforced stitching and multiple compartments. Both brands are praised for their functionality and convenience. The choice between the two ultimately depends on personal preferences and specific packing needs. Whichever brand you choose, incorporating packing cubes into your travel routine can greatly enhance your organization and packing efficiency. We hope this video will be helpful and informative. Enjoy stress-free travels with neatly organized belongings thanks to the reliable performance of Gonex or Bagail packing cubes. Happy packing and safe travels!